Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Real Mate. Today I'm gonna show you a legit earning app called Rupeyo. So guys, if you wanna earn some money, I'll send the link on the description button. You can go and check there. So guys, as you can see, I've already downloaded this app and already registered on this app. So it directs me on this page. So as you can see, there are many more offers to complete and earn rewards. For example, let me show you the Work India app. So guys, you can see it is written uh, to complete this offer you have to go through this instruction, like download the app, register on the app, explore the app. Guys, please read this tax instruction before you download this app, or you won't get any reward on your wallet. So guys, you can see there are many offers which you can complete and earn rewards. Other than that, you can even go for survey, though it's not available right now. And you can even go for spin and win. See, you can see a spin and win. In order to spin, you must have 1 rupees to spin. So guys, you can see this app instruction asks for level completion. So if you reach level 20, you'll be credited 0.42 paisa. If you reach level 50, you get 1.29 rupees. If you reach 100, you get 4.32 rupees, and the level goes on. So guys, I want to tell you the main important thing is that if you have completed this offer, or if you have already downloaded this app on your mobile phone before, then the reward won't be credited on your wallet. And yeah, the advertiser might take 24 hours to confirm the reward. So if you have already downloaded this app like Votes, Balls Q Puzzle, then better don't download the app, or you won't get any reward. So if the app is new, you can go for it. So guys, you can see here the tax which you have downloaded will be shown here. For example, like this, I've already downloaded this app and complete the instruction, but the reward is still pending, since the advertiser might take 24 hours to confirm the reward, as you can see. So guys, you can even earn through referral. As you can see, I've already referred one of my friend. Regarding this refer, if your friend complete 3 offer, you will get 50% of each offer they complete. And you can even send the link through Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and Telegram, and more. So guys, if you have any issues regarding the tax which you have completed but still not credited on your wallet, then you can come here in the setting button, and you can contact them through email. Okay guys, let me show you the example. Since I've already sent an issue regarding tax which is not credited on my wallet, so let me show you. So guys, as you can see, I have sent an issue regarding tax, and they even replied me saying that please respond back to the email providing the offer name and a screen recording of tax completion. So guys, you can see I've already sent them a screenshot of the tax which I've completed but still not credit on my wallet. So you can even send an issues of offers which you have completed. Other than that, this app is, yeah, legit to earn some cash, and yeah, you can download this app and earn some cash. As you can see, I've my total earning is 23 rupees and I've already redeemed 5 rupees. So to withdraw the amount on your account, you can see the wallet section. Click on the wallet section. You can press redeem now. Guys, you can see there are a lot of options to withdraw your money like UPI, gift cards, PayPal, crypto. Yeah, there are a lot of options which you can withdraw. As you can see guys, my withdrawal history, I've already withdrawn 5 rupees on my wallet. So even you can have a try on this app and earn some money. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Till then, see you on next video. Bye bye, take care.